Hello everyone, we are Group H. Today I will present our new ticketing platform for Taylor Swift 2026 concert tour. Our solution comes as a response to the long-standing controversy with traditional ticketing platforms. So over the years, these platforms have been criticized for operational inefficiency and technological shortcomings. High-demand events frequently crash the system, causing prolonged virtual queues and leave the fans frustrated. So our platform is designed to eliminate these issues and deliver a seamless ticketing experience. Our platform is built around 5 core functions that will not only address the needs of fans, but will also tackle the challenges that have been seen in previous ticketing platforms. So first, our user registrations and profile management will let the fans securely create and manage their accounts. Next, with event discovery and details, the user can easily search for and filter the event information. Then with the seat availability and selection, we'll offer a real-time seat maps that will show the current availability. And with our ticket purchase process, it will ensure a smooth checkout and hassle-free payment experience. And finally, our queue management will efficiently handle the high volumes of traffic using a virtual waiting rooms. And each of these functions will play a key role in delivering a seamless and reliable ticketing experience. Moving on to the database architecture, our design uses a Polyglot persistent. Essentially, we select the best tool for each type of data, including SQL, MongoDB, and Redis. This combination will ensure each type of data is stored in the most appropriate system. For the SQL, we use it to manage critical transactions, such as storing user profiles, bookings, and payments, where the data integrity and asset compliance matter the most. Then there is MongoDB, which will handle event logs and analytics, making it easy to scale and store a large volumes of unstructured data. Finally, we rely on Redis as our high-speed cache for real-time seat availability and queue data, enabling a near-instant response for the user. And with this overview, I will now hand it to my teammate who will walk us through a live demo showcasing how our database architecture works.
In this part, we will include 3 sections. The first section is related to SQL database, the second section related to NoSQL database, and the last section related to data extraction and visualization. Starting with the first section, we will connect to the SQL server, and then we will create the function to execute in the SQL server. And then we start the crunch in SQL server by the function to get all event information from the database. By doing this, we will see all the event information that we have in the SQL database. Next, we will create a function to get the event information by the event ID. In this implementation, we will get the information of the event ID too. And then we will create the function to insert a new seat into the database. In this case, we will insert the seat ID 102. Then we will create the ticket. In this case, we will create tickets in event ID 2, seat ID 6, and the price will be 50. Next one is create the function to update the status of payment in the database. In this case, we will update the payment status of the ID 63 to fail and 64 to success. Next one, we will delete the payment from the database. In this case, we will delete the payment ID 34. We move to the second section. It's related to NoSQL by connect to the Reddit. And then we will create a seat from Reddit. There's 3 seats, ID 1, 2, and 3. And then we will create a function to read a seat from Reddit. In this one, we will read the seat ID 2. Here we see all the information related to the seat ID 2. And then we move to the function to update the seat status in Reddit. We will update the status of seat ID 2. And then move to the function to delete the seat from Reddit. In this way, we will delete the seat ID 2. And then we will create a function to get all the seats from Reddit. At this time, we just see the seat ID 3 and 1. That's it for the NoSQL part. And the final section is related to data extraction and visualization. So first thing first, we will extract data from SQL server. After that, we will use this data to do the data visualization. Using Matplotlib, we will do the line chart to illustrate the revenue by day of the application. And then we will use the Seaborn library to visualize the total revenue by event. For the NoSQL, we will do the data extraction from MongoDB. After that, we will do the data visualization for API calls per hour using Matplotlib. we will have the line chart as you see in the screen. So that's it for the implementation part. Thank you for listening.